Greetings, Valley View and Southview parents. This screencast is designed to walk you through our new online absence reporting system that is done through Infinite Campus. This is currently being used at Valley View, Southview, as well as Edina High School. Please contact your child's elementary school to determine if they're using this new system. A few aspects that are staying the same with attendance with this new system. Students must still sign in and out through the main office on days that they're leaving early or arriving late. On days that students are leaving early, they must also get a pass from the main office. This becomes their exit ticket to leave class at the appropriate time. You may still call in an attendance report to either Valley View or Southview using the phone numbers listed below. And lastly, timely attendance reporting from parents is still what works best. Our attendance clerks will be able to check the online system at least once per day. However, last-minute excusals like emergencies should be called in using the phone numbers listed above. What is new is that parents of Edina High School, Southview, and Valley View students can now report student absences online using Infinite Campus. The first step to reporting an absence is going to the Edina portal, logging in, and selecting the Infinite Campus icon. Please note that only parents can excuse absences for students to miss school. So please do not share your online access with your student. If you have a hard time logging into the parent portal, you can email the address listed above, parentportal@edinaschools.org, to receive assistance. Once you log in to the parent portal, you'll see a menu of options on the left. In order to create an online absence, you would select More at the bottom. You'll see more options listed underneath here. And in order to create that absence, you'll click on Absence Requests at the bottom. Once you get to this point, you'll see all of your students' names listed here. Again, a reminder that currently Edina High School, Valley View, and Southview are using this online attendance. And you should check with your students' elementary school if you're wondering if they are. Let's imagine in this scenario that Molly Mouse is a 6th grader at Valley View. I select her name and then can choose from a list of options as reasons for her absence. Notice there's appointment, sick, family reason, funeral, vacation, religious, transportation, or other. In this instance, let's pretend that Molly has an appointment. You'll notice that comments are also required. So I'll put in the comment box that Molly has an ortho appointment. I also can select the day of the absence. Notice it could extend over multiple days. In this instance, it will say it's October 23rd, a 1-day absence. I can choose if that would be a full day absence or if she will be arriving late or leaving early. If a full day absence, I select this and I can simply submit. If she is arriving late, I select this and can simply choose the time with which I think she will be arriving. Please note that this does not need to be exactly correct because students will report through the main office and our clerks can put the correct time. So you can give your best guess. If she's leaving early, I can again select the time with which she will be leaving. So let's say she's going to leave early for an ortho appointment. And she's going to leave at 12:15 p.m. I set that time. Molly may be returning to school. However, whether she is or is not, for Valley View and Southview purposes, you can leave the return time blank. If Molly does return to school, she would report through the main office, like we mentioned earlier, and our attendance clerks could put down an accurate time. Note that this is not a required field. At this point, I'm going to submit this absence for Molly to go to an ortho appointment at 12:15. Once you submit, you'll see that request and you'll see that it is pending. This means that the attendance clerks at Valley View and Southview will log in, notice the pending absence, and approve it. Once approved, it will go into Infinite Campus for the times that you designated. If you would like to delete an absence because you realize that you made a mistake or it's something that you don't need to have approved, you can click on it as long as it is pending and choose to delete. Should you need to delete an absence that has been approved, if you click on it, you'll note that you cannot delete these because they have been approved. In this instance, you would need to call either Valley View or Southview in order to get that absence removed. New absences can always be created using the New button, which takes us back to this screen where we select the student, the reason, the comment, the date, whether it's a full day, late arrival, or early release. Hopefully this online attendance reporting system makes it easier for you to report absences for your child. If you have any questions, you may reach out to your respective school, or you may access information about the online system via their website. Thank you.